Today, I'll share with you 7 digital products that can be created using AI tools. Some of these products have the potential to generate over $34,000 a month, and there's a wide variety, so there's something for everyone. I'll go through these ideas relatively quickly, but don't worry. Full-length tutorials will be available in the coming weeks, so make sure to subscribe to avoid missing out. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Creating digital products means maintaining a profit margin of approximately 91%, and they are mostly passive income as these digital products are still relatively untapped by the masses. Product number 1. Generating patterns. Let's start with the most unusual idea on the list, which is creating patterns. You can use AI tools like Midjourney to generate seamless patterns that can be used for various purposes. Some shops, like Sweet Shop Design, have made around $70,000 with about 35,000 sales, selling these patterns for $1.95 each. This might not have the highest profit potential, but it's incredibly easy to generate patterns using AI, and I'll be providing full tutorials in the future. Product number 2. Selling wedding resources. Targeting the Etsy demographic, consider selling wedding resources. Shops like A Wild Bloom Principles have made close to $1.6 million by offering digital download wedding resources. For instance, wedding invitation templates can get hundreds of reviews, and it's a lucrative market. I'll show you how to use AI tools like Midjourney and Canva to automate this business. Product number 3. Generating guides. Create guides for various niches. Real estate buyer and seller guides are just one example. These guides provide valuable information for prospective clients. You can use AI to generate content for these guides, making it easier to break into this market. I'll provide full tutorials on how to create guides with the help of AI. Product number 4. Opening a logo design shop. Logo design can be highly profitable. Shops like Logo Lane charge $10 per logo pack on Etsy, and they have made over $500,000. Midjourney can be used to create logos quickly, and I'll show you how to automate this business. There's significant demand for logo design, and AI can handle a considerable portion of the work. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Product number 5. Creating business cards. Consider offering business card designs as well. Business cards are a complementary product to logo design. You can use AI to generate design ideas and then use Canva to create business card templates. I'll provide tutorials on how to streamline this process. Product number 6. Resume templates. Resume templates can be a profitable digital product. Shops like Get Landed have made hundreds of thousands of dollars selling simple resume templates. I'll show you how to use AI to generate content for resumes, making it easier to create ATS-friendly templates and visually appealing designs. This is a passive income opportunity. Product number 7. Selling product mockups. Mockups are essential for showcasing digital products. Consider creating product mockups using AI. You can use Midjourney to imagine various product designs on specific backgrounds. After some editing in tools like Photopea, you can create appealing mockups. This can be a lucrative addition to your product offerings. These are just a few ideas for creating digital products using AI. Each idea comes with its own potential for profit and level of automation, and I'll be providing in-depth tutorials on how to implement these ideas. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.